Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is quickly becoming one of the most important skills in modern technology, building intelligent AI agents. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to research environments or large technology companies. Today, intelligent agents are being used in business automation, customer interaction systems, enterprise workflows, productivity tools, and many real-world applications across industries. As organizations continue adopting AI-driven solutions, professionals who understand how AI agents work and how to build them are becoming increasingly valuable in the IT field. Whether you are a software developer, automation specialist, IT professional, student, or even someone exploring artificial intelligence from a non-technical background, learning how intelligent agents are designed and deployed can significantly strengthen your future career opportunities. To help learners understand this area in a structured and practical way, Addison-Wesley Professional offers a learning resource called the Building Perfects Intelligent AI Agents video course. This video course focuses on explaining how intelligent agents function and how they can be created to support real-world applications. Instead of presenting only theory, the course introduces practical concepts that help learners understand how agent-based systems interact with users, process information, and automate decision support tasks in modern digital environments. One important advantage of this course is that it presents the architecture behind intelligent AI agents in a step-by-step learning format, and helps viewers understand how agents can gather information, respond intelligently to requests, and support automation across different business and productivity platforms. The course also explores how intelligent agents are becoming part of the next generation of software solutions and enterprise automation systems. This makes the learning especially useful for professionals working with modern AI tools, workflow automation technologies, and cloud-based productivity environments. Because this is a structured video learning course, it allows learners to follow concepts visually and practically, which makes understanding agent-based systems easier compared to traditional study approaches. If you are planning to explore intelligent automation, AI-driven workflows, or the foundations of building smart assistant systems, this video course can be a valuable addition to your learning path. You can find the link in the description to access this video course from the Addison-Wesley Professional publication website. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.